What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Africa. Hope everybody is doing well. So we've seen some breakouts from some pretty massive patterns. We're breaking some key levels of resistance. However, we're still seeing low volume, and it is the weekend, so we're going to get into that. So currently we're sitting at 33,706. We're up about 4% on the day, sitting on a market cap of 632 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 23.5 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can join the world's fastest crypto growing app, amazing benefits, and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So you can see we've had a clear breakout from our falling wedge pattern. We've broken out, we've back tested it as support, and we continue to trend upwards, which is a beautiful sign. You can see we're starting to get overbought here on the 4-hour on the RSI. So what I'm going to wait for is to see some consolidation. Let me open this up. Because if you buy big green candles, as Coins Kid says, if you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. So you can see here we had nice big red candles. We consolidated and we allowed the EMAs to catch back up, and then we had another breakout. So I'm going to wait for a little bit of consolidation here before entering my long trade. Now I'm going to enter my long trade with low leverage due to the fact that it is the weekend, and due to the fact that we are still seeing low volume. As you can see here, the volume is still very low, and we did have our massive fake out here where we had a significant break and then we just rolled right back in. You can see here we are back above the 20 EMA on the daily. We have once again broken out of our descending channel that we've been in for 2 months, and it looks like we're heading up to test that key level about 32.5 thousand that we've been covering here on the channel. And if we do break above it and back test it as support, will allow us to catch back up to the 55 EMA. So beautiful to see this breakout, but check out the volume, guys. You can see it's still quite low, so please trade cautiously. But we are back above the 20 EMA. We've broken that key level of resistance. And if we jump into the 1-hour chart, you can see we've broken above the 0.786, which is a beautiful sign. And if we tackle this high at 34,684, that's a very strong signal that you'll head to the 1.272. Once you break above the golden ratio, as I always say, it gives you a much stronger chance to make it all the way up to the 1.272, which is at 36,297. Now there's also a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. It's not pretty in my opinion, where you have your left shoulder, you have your head, you have your right shoulder. You can see the right shoulder is not very prominent. I prefer to see my head and shoulders where the shoulders come down like this and like this. However, we have had a breakout from this pattern. And if we measure the neckline, that brings us up. Where do we have our breakout? Right around right here. That brings us very close to that 1.272 extension at 36,297. It's at about 35,952. So beautiful to see this breakout, beautiful to see us above the 0.786, beautiful to see us back above the 20 EMA on the daily. However, guys, it's the weekend. There's low volume on the weekend. The weekend is known for fake outs. So please take that into consideration if you are trading, and set your stop losses and set your take profits. Personally, I'm going to wait for a little bit of consolidation and allow the EMAs to catch up. Even on the 4-hour chart here, I'm going to wait for a little bit of consolidation. We are overbought on the RSI. You can see, I'll drop this line in on the RSI, was a level of resistance. We came up and we bounced, and we had a little bit of correction here. We came up, we bounced, we have a little bit of correction. Now you can still become further overbought where the RSI goes to 75.80 and the price continues to climb. However, you can see here we came up, we had a little bit of consolidation. Whoa, let me grab my brush here. We came up, we had a little bit of consolidation, allowing the EMAs to catch back up. So I would like to see a little bit of consolidation before entering my long trade, and I will definitely be entering it with low leverage as it is the weekend and the volume is still low. But beautiful to see this breakout, and you know, if we're back above the golden ratio and the 0.786, gives you a stronger signal that you'll go up to tackle where you started at 34,684, and of course the 1.272 extension at 36,297. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Hope you guys got some value. If you did, smash that like button, sign up to Bybit so you can get in on these trades and make money whether the price is going up or down. Receive $600 in bonuses. Check out my Instagram, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.